Hello, and welcome to a quick lesson about converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. So, let's go ahead and let's look at an example of a mixed number. Let's say I have 4 and 2/7. This is a mixed number. You can tell because it's a mixture, hence the name, of a fraction with a whole number. So, 4 and 2/7. Another example we could say would be 5 and 2/9. That could be another example of a mixed number, or maybe 3 and 7/12, something like that, yeah? Now, what we're going to do is for each of these examples that I just went ahead and put on the board, we're going to convert them from a mixed number to an improper fraction. It's actually pretty straightforward. So, we're going to divide it into different steps, okay? First step, take the denominator of the fraction and you multiply it times the mixed number. So in this case, we're going to do step 1, yeah? Step 1 is going to be 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. Boom, that's step 1. Now, step 2 is going to go ahead and be to take the number you just got and add it to the numerator of the fraction, the number on top. So in this case, we're going to take that, step 2 is going to be, we're going to take that 28, we're going to add 2, and that equals 30. Boom. Now, step 3 is just going to be to rewrite the whole thing as a fraction. So we're going to take that 30, yeah, and we're going to keep the original denominator, 7, and boom, we rewrote it as a fraction. So, this basically gives me 30/7. That's pretty much it. Again, the first step, take the number on the bottom of the fraction, multiply it by the number to the left, then the second step, add it to the number on top, and then just, rewrite your fraction. That's pretty much it. I recommend that you pause this video and try and solve the next two on your own, because it's honestly not difficult. Alright, let's go ahead and let's see. If you pause the video, now we get to check if you were right. So, step 1. Remember, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply the number on the bottom times the number to the left. So, step 1 for the second example will be 9 times 5, yeah, which should equal 45. Okay. And now, step 2, I'm just going to go ahead and add that 45 plus 2. So, if I go ahead and do that, 45 plus 2 equals 47. And that's it. My step 3 is just rewriting the fraction. So I'm going to keep that 47 I just got on top, keep the original denominator of 9, and voila, that's my answer. It's 47/9. It's that easy. Now we move on to the third example. And again, I strongly recommend, if you haven't done it already, please pause the video and try to work it out on your own. Okay, so step 1. We're going to go ahead and multiply 12 times 3, the bottom number times the left-hand number. Alright, so let me just write it out over here. You have 12 times 3. Yeah? Oh, that's a funky 3, but okay. 12 times 3, which gives me 36. Great. Step 2, I'm going to add the number I just got to the number on top. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and take that 36 and add 7 to it. Yeah? Which when I do 36 plus 7, it should give me 43. And then finally, step 3, I'm going to take that 43, put it as the numerator of my fraction, put it on top, and keep the original denominator of 12. So, my final answer will be 43/12. And boom, that's it. That's how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction.